How to buy Manhattan Project token. So this token came under the symbol of BUNK. Now, before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, as you can see, before going on by this token, make sure to check their community on X. As you can see, they have 1,000 members there. Now, as you can see, this token is available on the creator. It's created 18 hours ago and increased by 1,000% in the last 24 hours. And also, this token trending number 2 in the Solana section. Now, to be able to buy this token, just click here to copy the token address and open your fund wallet. For that, as you can see, after that, click here on swap and make sure to select the Solana from here. Now, as you can see, click here and paste tokenize in search bar. Now, this is our token, click on it and now click on I understand. Now, here, as you can see, type how much you want to buy like that. And here you will be able to see how much you receive that token. After that, scroll down and click here on swap and you will be able to redirect it to OKX or Jupiter provider page to complete the buy process. So this is how to buy BUNK token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.